People, wagwan, enough love and enough respect. So we're gonna get right down into the details of this topic. So TeejAy come out dark on the media, him diss up Skeng big time. Him send some serious threat and him come out strong me I tell no people. If you don't believe me, I'm not gonna see it for yourself. He also went on and stated that he is no longer hired for the New York show. So anybody who did buy a ticket to come see him perform, on if refund the tickets.
So the New York show, I'm not on that show. Cause me notice man a blast a bag of thing. So New York, if you need buy a ticket, send back on the ticket. If somebody from New York upon it live, screen record it live, send it now whole of New York. Me not upon New York show. The promoter them for New York show. If you don't know bigger tips from New York, you don't know bigger tips, you're my friend, that I'm my boy, that you understand, I'm a G that. See? So watch you go on. Me and bigger tips if you keep a show in New York. Bigger tips is say know somebody in New York. Bigger tips is reach out to 2 man from New York. Them 2 man say to bigger tips is say, bigger, don't keep the show in a May, keep the show in a June. And like how me already I do a show in New York, just make me emerge the show. Listen to me promoter boy. My name is TeejAy the up top boss. The moment you join me and my friend and keep a show, you're responsible for that. I am going to give you my talent, motherfucker. You were supposed to sign a contract and you didn't. This is professional thing, but you make me have to come live and talk about you now. Idiot, nyam pussy, skeng. Don't ramp with me badness, little boy. Me send a man come back, say down in New York. Me dark as fuck. That's why I not talk to people. Cause I not like talk. I'm just one thump down a boy. I make my friend them give him 100 kick in your face. I'm tabbing your face with my knife. You tell me get all violent on the live. Listen to me. Skeng, suck your mama. You see me and my friend I keep show. You tell my friend no. But oh, make you and my friend join. Then I try start. You could have be an elder so thing. Me back say down flat. Me a dark boy, bro. You don't know what is small me one, bro. Me dark your fuck, bro. Me feel like me too mad, bro. Me mad, bro. Me chip, bro. Me your Facebook here I say I'm a chippy. And me a bumbuckler chippy, bro. Me, bro. Don't get it twisted, bro. You notice me humble, bro. So anytime you hear me talk, me half vex, bro. Zine, bro? Don't do that, bro. You put man pan bumbuckler flares and style thing, then I can write up one bag of thing.
With that being said, people, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. If you not subscribe, we won't wait pan. Please, drop a comment down below, and thank you for watching.